Hey everyone, it's your name. I'm so excited to have you here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our fitness community. Today we're diving into the top 30 ab rollers that have gotten the seal of approval from personal trainers. These tools are essential for anyone looking to strengthen their core and improve their overall fitness. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're a seasoned pro, finding the right equipment can be a game changer. Ab rollers are versatile and can be used by people of all fitness levels. So grab a water bottle, get ready to take some notes, and let's roll into it. We'll cover everything from the basics to advanced techniques, ensuring you get the most out of your workout. First up, we have the Lifeline Power Wheel. This isn't your average ab roller. You strap your feet into the wheel, adding a new level of intensity and instability, engaging more muscles to maintain control. It's definitely a challenge, but if you're looking to take your workouts to the next level, the Lifeline Power Wheel is worth checking out. Next, we have the Abdominal Plus Core Abdominal Training System. The base acts as a platform for planking, and you can roll it out in multiple directions, targeting your obliques and other stabilizing muscles. It also comes with resistance bands and workout guides, so you can really maximize your results and get a full body workout. Now, if you're just starting out with AB rollers, I highly recommend the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro. What makes it great for beginners is the built-in spring mechanism, providing assistance on the way back up. Don't let the assistance fool you though, this thing is still challenging. Calling all advanced users. If you're looking for a serious core challenge, the Scala's core strength wheels are no joke. Unlike traditional ab rollers, these come in a set of 2, with independent wheels for each hand. The independent wheels force your stabilizing muscles to work overtime to keep you balanced and in control. Sometimes, you just can't beat the classics. The Vince Gear Ab Roller Wheel is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a simple, sturdy, and affordable ab roller. The dual wheel design provides extra stability, which is always a plus, especially if you're new to ab rollers. Get ready to work your core from all angles with the WonderCore Slide Fit Ab Roller Board. This innovative piece of fitness equipment is designed to help you achieve a stronger, more defined core with ease and efficiency. This unique ab roller features a 4-wheel design, providing exceptional stability. The 4-wheel setup ensures that you can maintain balance and control during your workouts, reducing the risk of injury and allowing you to focus on engaging your core muscles effectively. You can use it for traditional ab rollouts, which are excellent for targeting your upper and lower abs, as well as your obliques. The smooth rolling action makes each movement fluid and controlled, maximizing the effectiveness of your workout. But it also doubles as an alternative to glider discs for lower body exercises like lunges and hamstring curls. This versatility means you can incorporate a variety of exercises into your routine, making it a true multitasker. Whether you're looking to strengthen your core, tone your legs, or improve your overall fitness, the WonderCore Slide Fit Ab Rollerboard has got you covered. Sometimes, less is more. The Cap Barbell Abdominal Wheel is a no-frills, back-to-basics ab roller that gets the job done. It features a classic 2-wheel design and is incredibly portable and easy to store. This ab roller is surprisingly challenging and will have your core screaming for mercy. The Tone Fitness Ab Roller Wheel is designed with comfort and control in mind. It boasts a comfortable, non-slip handle and wheel, allowing you to maintain a secure grip throughout your workout. It's proof that you don't need to break the bank to get a great ab workout. If you're looking for an ab roller that's easy on your joints, the D-Moose Fitness Ab Roller Wheel is a game changer. It comes with built-in elbow and knee pads, providing extra support and cushioning during your workout. The added support allows you to really isolate your abdominals and maximize your workout. Don't let its size fool you. The Bluerise Ab Roller Wheel is a small but mighty piece of equipment. At just 9 inches wide, it's incredibly compact and easy to store, making it perfect for small apartments or home gyms. The textured handle provides extra grip, ensuring that you maintain control throughout your workout. Details are scarce on this one, but the Ab Roller X is generating some buzz in the fitness community. The CoreMax Ab Roller is designed to help you achieve maximum core engagement. Stay tuned for more details on this promising ab roller. The Flexi Roll Ab Trainer is shrouded in secrecy, but the name hints at a focus on flexibility and range of motion. The Power Core Ab Wheel is here to unleash your inner powerhouse. Details are limited, but the name suggests a focus on strength and power. The Fit Pro Ab Roller aims to be your go-to training partner for achieving a pro-level physique. Stay tuned for updates on this exciting ab roller. The Gym Master Ab Roller is here to help you rule your domain. Details are scarce, but the name suggests a focus on dominance and achieving mastery over your workouts. The Profit Ab Wheel is designed to help you roll your way to a fitter, stronger you. Specific features are still under wraps. The Elite Core Ab Roller is here to elevate your core strength to new heights. Details are limited. The Strong Fit Ab Wheel is designed to help you unleash your inner strength and achieve a rock-solid core. Stay tuned for updates on this powerful ab roller. The Ultra Fit Ab Roller is here to provide the ultimate core challenge. Details are scarce. The Max Strength Ab Roller is designed to help you maximize your strength potential and achieve a powerful core. Stay tuned for updates on this powerful ab roller. The Endurance Ab Wheel is here to help you go the distance and build incredible core endurance. Details are scarce. The PowerFit Ab Roller is designed to help you power up your core and achieve a strong, defined midsection. Stay tuned for updates on this powerful ab roller. The Core Blaster Ab Wheel is here to blast your core into shape. Details are scarce. The FitFlex Ab Roller is designed to enhance both your flexibility and strength, providing a well-rounded core workout. Stay tuned for more information on this versatile ab roller. The Muscle Max Ab Wheel is here to help you maximize your muscle growth and achieve a sculpted physique. Details are scarce. The ProCore Ab Roller is designed to help you train like a pro and achieve a champion-level core. Stay tuned for updates on this exciting ab roller. The FlexFit Ab Wheel is designed with a flexible design to enhance your range of motion and target your core from all angles. Stay tuned for more information on this versatile ab roller. The Strong Core Ab Roller is here to help you build an unbreakable core and achieve peak fitness. Details are scarce. The UltraCore Ab Wheel is designed to help you unlock your ultimate core potential and achieve a rock-solid midsection. Stay tuned for updates on this powerful ab roller. And there you have it, the top 30 AB rollers to strengthen your core. All trainer approved. Each one of these AB rollers has been carefully selected based on their effectiveness, durability, and user reviews. I hope this video has given you some great ideas for taking your AB workouts to the next level. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building a strong core. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and product reviews. Your support helps us bring you the best content. Let us know in the comments which ab roller you're excited to try. We love hearing your feedback and experiences. Stay tuned for more exciting fitness content and product reviews. Until next time, keep pushing your limits and stay dedicated to your fitness journey. Together, we can achieve our goals and live healthier